Hello everyone. In this video, I want to explain about what is orphaned resources in AWS. Basically, the orphaned resources is nothing but a leftover resources that is not part of any main part of the infrastructure. Suppose in AWS, orphaned resources are infrastructure components that are no longer attached or referenced or actively managed by any application or workload, but it still exists in the account, potentially incur cost and creating the cluster. So what's the meaning is you have created, suppose let us say, an EC2 instance and a volume also associated to that EC2 instance, right? So maybe you forget to delete the EBS volume or forget to delete the couple of security groups which is created as part of that EC2 creation. It's very basic thing. So what happens is those security groups and those resources are still unused in the AWS account, which potentially causes the unnecessary keeping. We are unnecessarily keeping those resources in the AWS account that is not required. That's not also effective way to deal the management, cloud management. So these resources often result in from incomplete cleanup during resource decommissioning, migrations or testing. That's what I explained, right? Suppose if you created anything, suppose you created EKS cluster for testing or for any other reasons, and you deleted the cluster using console or using CLI. But sometimes what happens is the underlying application load balancers or security groups might not be deleted properly, so which causes additional cost for us. The same thing. As you see the examples below, examples include unattached EBS volumes, unused Elastic IPs, security groups not attached to any network interfaces. The same thing we referred, right, in previous statement. Yeah. What is the problem with these orphaned resources? Yeah, cost is the first thing. They continue with incur charges even though they do not contribute to the active workloads, right? They are not part of any part of our infrastructure or our workflow, but still they are keeping in our account. That may causes some cost. Second, the complexity. They add the complexity of a AWS environment, make it harder to manage and understand. Okay, potential security risk. Unused resources may have security vulnerabilities. They are not addressed. The same thing we explained. It's a problem with the security also. Yeah, thank you. I'll keep this post in the description. Thank you.